What is up, guys? We're gonna show you how you could easily pull this dent out, just a hammer, and a couple things you might have laying around. So right now he's finishing up taking off the bumper, took out the tail lights, and then it'll be time to smack it. So let's get that out the way and I'm gonna show you what to do. Guys, the bumper's off. Now for reference, I'll show you this side. As you can see, it's supposed to be flat right here, pretty much flat all the way around. When you come to this side, you can see the crease right there. That's not supposed to be like that. So we're gonna focus on hitting this part out and see what that does. See if we can get this out a little bit, and then after that we can just do some filler work and paint it, and we should be good.
It's pretty much out, almost.
Yeah, that's it. Just touch-ups with the body hammer and the dolly.
It's looking better already. All right, so now that we got the big hits out the way, trying to shape this corner, get it looking like this one.
Let me see. Let me grab this. So we got it all squared up for the most part. I'll show you when I put this little piece. Tell it's pretty good.
So we've added about 2 or 3 coats of Bondo so far. So we sanded it with our 180. Now we're hitting it with our 320, smoothing it all out. And then we're gonna prime it. This is the primer we have. It's Multi-Filler Express. We've had pretty much good results with it. And then here's the hardener for it. Test fitting the tail light.
It's all the same, it's all even.
Yeah. Looks good. As you can see, I messed up a little bit right here, but you know, that'll just sand right out. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. After we get this quarter panel situated, everything will be sprayed with the color, the base coat, and then we'll spray this whole quarter panel with clear coat. All right, so we got our paint mixed up. Using RM brand. And then you do the 2-to-1, so 2 parts paint, 1 part reducer. Okay. Yeah, it's very stripy. Just the first coat. Base coat number 2. Guys, so that's base coat number 2. See how it looks. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and mix the clear. and then spray the quarter panel on the bumper. It looks pretty good. It's definitely ready for clear. I let it dry overnight since it's so cold. Here's the final product. Doesn't look too bad. Pretty good. I'm happy with it, so we're gonna let it dry overnight and then we're gonna go ahead and assemble the car tomorrow. What is going on, guys? So I finally finished the Altima. I got it clear coated, got all the tape peeled off. Not bad at all. I threw the bumper bracket on. But yeah, so now I'm gonna throw the bumper on, then I'll put the taillights on, make sure everything fits nice, and then throw all this trim. I might have to get some new clips for this trim, not sure. Some of them are broken. I might have some here, might have to go to the dealer and get some, but figure all that out later. Bumper came out really nice as well. Just has a lot of dust on it, just from sitting overnight. Here's the other side.